Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. I've got the CRX in here because I have been working on it the past couple days. I did not record, but I did want to go ahead and knock out some of this progress here. Mainly, I just wanted to get some of the body work done because that's really the biggest hurdle that I'm against right now is all these dents and dings and just sanding everything down, getting it ready for primer like I've been talking about for so long. So I've got the fenders just hanging on here now. I've got the dents and dings taken out of those, as well as the roof and the quarter panels, door jambs. I've actually gone all around the entire car with 220. I put some body filler in there, really just glazing putty. I really didn't have to use much body filler, just a little glazing putty in spots here and there just to fill in and smooth the dents out. Everything's looking really good so far. I've got a lot of it sanded down with 320, but I still have a little bit more to do on the fenders. I got to hit up all the edges with 320, as well as touching up a few of those spots. You saw some glazing putty as well to make sure those are sanded down with 320 before we prime it in. That's something I'm going to go ahead and do off camera. I really just wanted to update you guys on the progress of the car because the next step is going to be to epoxy prime probably just the chassis, and then I'm going to go ahead and pull out the doors, disassemble those doors, and I'm going to have to do all the sanding and body work on those as well, and that's going to take some time. I'll probably show you a little bit of that process as well, and hopefully we'll get this thing primed in here in the near future. All right, car is in primer. Well, not the whole car. I've got the chassis in primer, which is a huge accomplishment for me, really, because I've been kind of struggling with this project. I've lost motivation to get out here and really do the body work on it. I've got most of it sanded down. It's all ready to go now. I'm just going to be sanding with 600 grit and really fine-tuning any of the body lines or dents or dings that I come across as I work through the 600 grit on the primer. But before I actually sand down the primer, I'm going to let this cure as long as possible. That way I avoid the shrinkage issues whenever you sand it too soon and then you put your base coat down. When you get it out in the heat in the hot summer, even a year later, and that primer will shrink and you'll start to see some of those sanding scratches. It happened on my black CRX out there, and I've really had to wet sand the clear coat a few times to really get that to go away. I really want to try to avoid that on here, so I'm going to let this sit as long as I can, which I can do that because I've got a lot of work to do on the fenders and the doors, as well as the hood, sunroof, the hatch. There's still a ton of sanding to do and a ton of other primer to put down. So that'll be the next step, is actually pulling that other door out and doing exactly what I did with this one here. Just tear it all apart, start sanding everything down, just getting it ready for primer and then paint after that. So I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit scattered all over the place because I've really kind of done it across 2 or 3 weeks here, just kind of off and on, getting out here 1 or 2 hours and putting in some work. Today I spent all day out here. Took me a while to get it all masked up and primered in, but I'm happy I got it done. So stick around and we will keep making progress on this car, and hopefully this thing will be in paint before you know it. See ya.